Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, your best place to buy bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia with Ruben and
Con.
That's it. We've dragged you in. Michael is still away, and we've got not quite an unboxing, but it's a release day. We've got the Koala Kilo being released today. Except we don't actually have them here, as is Perth style at the moment. I'm going to keep making jokes about that until they improve. But yeah, we've got a kilo coin and we've got a 1 ounce 2023 koala. So imagine, if you will, the splice between the two. I'll pop it sitting there. Ta-da! That right there is the kilo koala. What do you think of the koala design, Carl?
Look, I think it's pretty good. Same type of font and matte finish as last year's one.
Yep.
And it's got a kind of really nice mum and bub design as well. So I don't mind it. I can't wait to see what it looks like in the 1 kilo version. There'll be a bit more detail in it, so I think it'll be good.
Yeah. With all these coins, there's always something slightly different to actually looking at it in person. There's always something nice to that. So can't wait for that. And as Michael always says, you know, the kilo kind of really brings out the design. You can kind of see it on a larger planchette. So very keen to that to happen. I know in the comments there'll be lots of people, even though this is a release of the koala, lots of people asking about the kookaburra. Haven't had anything confirmed on that yet, but yeah.
That one too.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, this will be a pre-order situation. We will put the link down in the description. I think, speaking to the guys, we're looking at hopefully the end of this week, by the time we get our hands on these ones. But yeah, link will be down in the description if you wanted to pre-order yourself any of these. And yeah, we'll see you all in the next video. Thank you very much for letting me drag you in front of the camera.
No worries. Thanks, guys.